if you want to, bro. Don't matter to me. I'm not a rapper. But yeah. Wait for the beat to drop.
BKC
Productions. Yo. I don't even know how this beat's gonna sound when it drops, but I can hear the pounding in the background. And I know that I will fucking come and stomp down your whole fucking crew. Eat you up like y'all was some fucking Chinese food with no egg roll. Cause I ain't got the extra $1.50 to be spent on the shit. But I'm so ridiculous. Yeah, ridiculousness like Rob Dyrdek. Yeah, like the TV show. And y'all know that I eat your girl's booty hole. If I'm drunk, cause I'm a motherfucking punk running on this shit like I'm Forrest Gump. Take a dump on the fucking rap game. And everybody who thinks they're above my name, bet I got that aim. Yeah, click, 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 click to the motherfucking back. Hey, yo. I tell you this once, I'm not a fucking rapper, but I'll take your chick and wrap her like a snack wrap. You don't wanna go see me with this fitted hat. Kick back, go ahead and fucking relax while I bump the relapse. Yeah, album from Eminem, but no, I'm a fucking veteran, way ahead of them. Motherfuckers ain't finishing. Nope, they headed to the guillotine. I'm straight beheading them. Motherfuckers know I'm married to the game. Yeah, I'm about to get the wedding in. Here we go. Motherfuckers kill this flow and it slow down for me. Gotta know I'm not chilling with no informants. No, I'm not informing y'all. I'm just warning y'all that I'm about to fucking ball. Yeah, call me Jordan in the motherfucking rap game. It's a shame how these dudes so damn lame. Look in the mirror, see I got them scared. Now tell me who's realer. Yeah, I'm like a gorilla in the fucking jungle, ready to rumble. Don't fumble, hit you with that shit, you gon' mumble. I don't even know no more, but Gage, go ahead and kill the rest of the flow. The rest of the flow, I'ma kill it really slow, leave it leaking on the floor. Then I open up the door, say come on in, and I'ma come on it. I don't give a fuck, just show me my opponent, cause I will fucking fatality it really quick. Then I'll break that shit with my little ass dick, cause it's white, all white meat. That's what everybody likes when they go to KFC or Mickey D's or BK or Wendy's. But she got my hair. I don't like gingers, but I'll fuck her with my middle fingers. Drunken freestyle number 2. Go ahead and watch it, dude.